Hello. Good morning, everyone. How's it going today? It's a little chilly, but I just love sitting out on my porch swaying. It's cozy. It is day 42 of our quarantine here in Thermopolis, Wyoming. If your quarantine has been longer, I think it's all been the same, but I think some people across the country were quarantined like a day or two before we were. We were quarantined and out of school on March 16th. So, since we have been out of school, about, I don't remember how long ago, like 4 weeks ago, I started saying the Pledge of Allegiance every day. I think this is the 4th week. So, we're back again to say the Pledge of Allegiance, and I want all of y'all to say the pledge with me today. If you guys don't know me, my name is Danielle Dufo. My students call me Miss Dufo. And then my students online in China, I teach them how to speak English. They call me Teacher Danielle. So, a little confusing, but it works for me. So, you can call me Miss Dufo. I am ready. If you guys are ready to say the pledge, I'll wait a couple more minutes because it's not 8:15 yet. I thought it was, but it's only 8:13 right now. Let me know what you guys are up to. Good morning, Audrey. Good morning, Kathleen. Good morning, 4 other people watching. Let me know where you're from. Let me know how you're doing today. One thing that you did over the weekend that was fun, let me know. One thing I did was walked 5 miles. That was pretty fun. Hi, Maddie. How are ya? We walked 5 miles and then, well, we walked like 2 or 3 miles every day, but yesterday we walked 5. So that was a lot of miles to walk. And then we made some really yummy food and smoked pretty much all of our food this weekend on the smoker, which is super good. The Traeger. If you guys don't have one, you need to get one. They're super good. Obviously, it's a grill too. So it's like it smokes it, grills it, does it all at once. So it's super yummy. And if you're waiting for the rest of your food to get done, you just push the smoke button again, and it's pretty awesome. So if you guys don't have a smoker, you should probably invest in one or look to, because it's super good. I like the smoke flavor. That's my screen door making that noise. I like the smoke flavor better than charcoal, I think, honestly. There we go. Now my screen door won't open. All right, it is 8:15. Okay, I'm just standing up. Eli made smoked chicken. That's what we made yesterday. I made smoked chicken. Let me know what your favorite recipe is, you guys. If you have a smoker, let me know what your favorite recipe is. All right, I'll set my phone down. All right, hand over your heart. Stand up. And let's say the pledge. There we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, day 42, and we said the Pledge of Allegiance. I want to let you guys know, too, make sure, all you kids out there, make sure you have, if you're a kid, obviously. I mean, if you're an adult, you can do whatever you want, but if you're a student, a child, a kid, under 18, make sure your settings are set to private so that no strange people can message you. I don't know if you saw my live last week. It wasn't a Pledge of Allegiance live. It was just a different one. But I had some person from Pakistan message me and tell me how beautiful I was. And I called him out on it. I was like, oh, am I beautiful now? It was so funny. So I just want to remind you guys to be very careful and very safe out there. I have family. I have a sister and 2 younger brothers. And then I also have 2 younger nieces. And I have 1 nephew. And so I always worry about them just getting those random messages like I just did. Like, it's not safe. So just be careful. If you want some tips on how to change your profile to private to avoid all of that stuff, message me, call me, text me, I don't care. I'll tell you how, I'll show you how. It's pretty easy. So I obviously am not changing mine to private because I want to let everybody know and everybody see the Pledge of Allegiance on my page, but I can block certain countries from watching my video. So if you guys need to know how to do that, let me know. I can share with you how. Yeah, that's about it for today. I am just chilling on my front porch. Let me just show you what my view is. My view is my bird feeders here. I had to move that one up because our mule deer come in and happily eat out of it. They just like use their little tongue and they just like lick all inside there. Little stinkers. And then this one is like a squirrel proof and deer proof. Once they press it and you pressure down, the whole thing goes up and down. It's pretty funny to watch. They jump and run away. I don't have a suet thing in there right now. We just planted our yard some grass, so hopefully it's going to grow. That's about all we have right now. There hasn't been too much. He did mow yesterday, but barely anything, mostly just the dandelions. All right, you guys, you have a wonderful Monday, and don't forget to set your stuff to private, or at least block certain countries from watching you, because just better to be safe than sorry. All right, have a good one. Bye.